Hello everyone, this is Manipulator, today with the CES branded lock. Lately I was going to pick through all kinds of simple locks. Usually the 5-pinners are the entry level locks for buyers as well as for pickers. And I've done all the different kinds of 5-pin locks that I had lying around the house. We did a Bcash lately, a Zeiss Icon, a Powerline branded lock, which is basically the rubbish you get from any hardware store. And today we are going to have a look at this CES branded lock. Came with this corresponding key. This is the bitting, and it is the original key that came with it. All right, let's see what it takes to get inside this thing. Start right here. Pin 1 seems to be binding. Good click. Nothing on 2, 3, 4, or nothing on 5. Back to the beginning. Don't know what I'm on right now, but was moving. 1 again. Little click on 2. 3 now. Nothing on 4 it seems. 5. Click. Nothing on 4 still. Tiny click on 3. Nothing on 2. Another click on 1. Nothing on 2. Tiny click on 3. 4 is binding. And we're open. Okay, that didn't take too long. Let's have a look at what's inside. I'm sure it's going to take forever to get this lock open as usual, even though it's just one clip that we have to get through. But these things can take their sweet time. Let me get a pinning tray so we can arrange everything. All right. How do I get this open? Key. I don't see a clip. I think this is one of those pins that you have to pull from the lock, but I don't have a tool to do that. So this is where the CES journey ends, I think. I think there's nothing I can really do about it. Oh, that's unlucky. All right, so that's it about this CES, since I have no way to open this. Hope you liked it anyway. It was a quick pick, but the bidding isn't all that difficult. So that's all from Manipulator today. See you in the next one. Bye bye.